Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. In this video today, I'm going to show you some features within Systeme.io, if that's your funnel builder of choice, that you probably didn't know exist. And there are 3 features in here that you probably didn't know or maybe haven't paid attention to, and this will greatly improve the quality of your funnel building and just your workflow in general. Saves you time, saves you the headache of having to do things from scratch all over again. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, the first feature that I want to show you is the save block feature. And what this feature basically allows you to do is to save a block that you already designed and you want to reuse in a different funnel. Now, let me show you exactly what that means. Say, for example, you have this landing page right here. You've built a landing page and there are certain features within that landing page that you love, right? Or in a sales page, it could be anything. For example, in this section right here, you have this countdown timer, you have this header, you have those buttons, and you have a lot of different things going on, right? And for example, maybe this countdown timer you want to use in a separate funnel. What you can do is to save this block right here, this countdown timer, so you can use in a separate funnel or in a separate page. Now, to do that, all you have to do is hover on that row that you've created, and you see some features right here. You see the settings, you see copy, you see delete, and there's this floppy disk icon, which means you can save this row and simply import that row in a different design. Now you go ahead and click that and you can save it as whatever you want. Let's call it the countdown timer. Okay, now you click on create and it's just going to save this block the way it is with this design, this color, everything that you've already specified. Now, how to utilize that is to go in a different funnel. For example, let's say we want to use that again in this thank you page, and you come down to the thank you page, you click on the magic wand, which means to edit, and right here, if you go to blocks, and you click on my blocks, right here you're going to see the countdown timer, and you can easily click on it and it's going to import that countdown timer. And what you have to do in this case is to just drag it and drop at the in whatever position. It could be at the top of the page or it could be within the design itself. Let's drop it right here. Boom. So now you have a block that you can reuse over and over and over again, and you can do the same for your buttons. You can do the same for pretty much anything. It could be this text block right here. It could be this another text block. It could be a logo. It could be your hamburger menu. Different things you can do. So now all you have to do is create something and you can reuse in a different section, different page, a different sales page, different landing page over and over again. So what that does, it saves you time and you don't have to rebuild things from. Now let's talk about another feature within Systeme.io, which is moving a funnel step from one funnel to a different funnel. Now, if you've ever built funnels in the past, you know that sometimes you create a design or you create a landing page and it feels like, oh, maybe I can probably reuse this landing page in a different one, or maybe a thank you page, and you just feel like you want to reuse that thank you page and not having to create a different one. Now all you have to do is just come to your funnel list right here, and let's go to the same funnel that we used earlier. Now this is the thank you page. This is what it looks like when you preview it. It says thank you, your download is successful, make sure to check your email folder and spam folder, whatever. Now what we want to do is we want to reuse this thank you page in a different funnel. Right now all you have to do is click on that page that you want to duplicate, and right here you can duplicate the step. That is the first thing you want to do, so duplicate it, boom, and it says thanks in bracket copy, meaning this is the copied page that you want to use in a different funnel step. Now the next thing you want to do is to click on this new icon right here. You see there's a delete button, there's a copy button, and there's a move funnel step button. And once you click on that, now it's going to show you every funnel that you have in your Systeme account. I have different funnels here, and I'm going to select a newsletter, and I'm going to select a landing page that I want to reuse this funnel step in. Now you click on that and you click on move funnel step. Now it's automatically going to take you to that funnel that you moved that step into. Now right here, if you click on edit, you can see that funnel step is already imported into a different funnel, and I can reuse that funnel or that funnel step in a completely different funnel. So that means that if you have a funnel step that you like or design that is really attractive, something you've spent time designing, you can reuse that in a different funnel over and over again, so you don't have to recreate from scratch. Now let's talk about the third feature that I love, which is probably the most important. This is how a lot of people make money, and that is by sharing an existing funnel. Say you are a funnel builder, right, and you want to share a funnel that you've built with someone in a different account, or maybe I built a funnel and I want to share that funnel with you so you can reuse in your own accounts. Now, this is what you have to do. Now, what you have to do is come down here into that account that you want to share a funnel from. And all you have to do is click on the three dots in front of that funnel. Now, I'm going to click on share, and it's going to generate this link right here. Now, all you have to do is copy that link. It's going to copy to clipboard and come to your browser where you have your own funnel, or if you want to install that funnel, just go into your browser and paste that link into your browser, and this is going to automatically import that entire funnel from a different account into my account. So right now, if I have a funnel that I want to share with you, which you can find in the link down description, by the way, I'm giving out this funnel away for free. You can actually click on that link in description, and it's going to import that entire funnel into your own account. So you can share funnel with people, you can download funnel from a different account, and this allows you to save a lot of time, so you don't have to create funnels from scratch, and you don't have to start building something that you would otherwise be able to copy from someone else. So these are some of the interesting features that Systeme.io has that a lot of people may not be paying attention to. And just let me know in the comments down below if these features are helpful, if you've used them in the past, how helpful they've been, and let me know if you have any questions about funnel design. And you can contact me using my email down below in the description. If you want to schedule a free consultation with me, I have the link down in the description as well. So check out all the links and see which one applies to you. Again, my name is Daniel, and I hope this video has been helpful. I will see you in the next one.